Welcome to VJ Spike's channel. Today we will be discussing about 10 activities that you will be glad you did when it all gets back to normal from this pandemic. For many, this lockdown period has given us more time on our hands than we have ever had, time which we never thought we would have. This free time presents us with opportunities to do things which we have always wanted to do or like to do more of depending on our individual circumstances. I think it makes sense for us to be productive with this time and do things that are meaningful to us. This post reviews a number of productive activities which you can undertake. So let's get stuck into 10 productive things you can do during your time at home in quarantine or in lockdown. You will be glad you did. The first activity, read that book or series you have been putting off. First on the list is very much where you should be starting. I like nothing more than immersing myself in a book, concentrating fully on the book, its characters, and its storyline without distractions. We have that opportunity now. Books exercise the brain, build our vocabularies, lower stress, and also enhance the imagination. Whether you prefer fiction or non-fiction, buy yourself some books and start reading more this week. The second activity, learn a new skill. Building up your qualification by enrolling in courses can also be accompanied by learning new skills. This could be learning the rule of a game, chess is a good example from my own list, or how to play an instrument, or anything at all that takes time to get to grips with. Practicing an instrument, I think, can be good fun, and it's also an inventive way to keep yourself entertained and constantly learning. This is the case when picking up a new instrument or upgrading your skills with an instrument you might have played all of your life. The third activity, set up a workout routine. How long have we all been looking to begin this activity? If you work out regularly, you will know that the key to be a successful and consistent workout regime is routine. And I don't need to tell you about the benefits of working out and keeping fit. Can you get your hands on some basic gym accessories? You actually don't even need such equipment if you follow some of the workout videos available on YouTube. Fourth activity, meditate. It's important to be mindful of your surroundings as well as your well being while in quarantine, and meditation might help you get a bit of peace of mind in times of uncertainty. Find a quiet place, light some candles, and clear your mind with some therapeutic meditation music. Meditation is one of the best things you can do right now to relieve stress and improve your well being. The fifth activity, keep in touch with family, friends, and past colleagues. We are isolated from the people we usually spend time with, but we can be connected with them via more means more than ever before. Make time to catch up and have a virtual drink with your friends and family. Use the time to speak to relatives that you might not have spoken to in a while. Maybe look to find out via those family members about great grandparents who lived through wars as well as pandemics. I also feel that reconnecting with past colleagues is a great idea. You would have spent a lot of time with those people in previous roles and might have grown apart as you move on in your career. But make that effort to find those who would love to catch up with. The sixth activity, listen to more music. In your normal office environment, it's likely that you would listen to radio channels or no music at all. When working from home or in quarantine, you don't have these restrictions and can listen to anything you want. Why not spend this time working through music albums, listening to new and potentially undiscovered music? You can listen to new music from your favorite genre or find a list of best albums for the genre and listen to them all. The seventh activity, learn a new language. How many times have you said that you would like to learn a new language? I am sure you have many times over the years. Well, now you have time to do so. With apps like Memrise and Duolingo, you can do so easily and at no cost. The eighth activity, catch up on your sleep. Those early mornings and late nights that make up our usual routines sometimes take their toll on us. During this period, own increased downtime, be sure to sleep enough. Undertaking some of the activities on this list will help you sleep naturally, but ensure that you are going to bed at a reasonable This is the time to ensure you're getting 8 hours sleep per night and you will feel invigorated because of it. The ninth activity, review or create your personal development plan. Much of the above focus on non-professional and work-related activities that you can do and still be productive. However, from a long-term perspective, it makes sense to also work on your professional capabilities and skills that you can offer your employer and future employers. We don't know how long the lockdown period or even the pandemic will last in its current state. Working environments might look very different when this happens. Therefore, it is important that your skills and abilities fit the market and role you operate within. Always keep your personal development plan near and work to improve your personal and professional situation. Reading books and enrolling on a course might be enough. Either way, always keep this in mind in case there are surprises later on. The 10th activity, form a routine for your new activities. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, be sure to write down your routine with time scales of the activities which you will be doing and trying for the first time on a weekly basis. Stick to your routine and form the habits to keep you working and keep you productive during this lockdown. Don't stop there. This post features a list of productive things to do while being stuck at home and in quarantine for anyone in any industry. Get started with some of these activities right away. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.